Slide 1 Automation Engine Overview. This is not just Jenkins. This is an automation engine. It connects build processes, container environments, and deployment units. Everything flows in a continuous loop. Barkan. Jenkins follows a distributed architecture. The controller is the brain. It manages jobs, schedules builds, and controls access. Worker nodes execute the actual tasks. They run builds across different systems. Communication happens using SSH or JNLP. Leitschneid 3. Executors and agents. Executors are responsible for running jobs. Each executor handles one job at a time. More executors allow parallel execution. Modern pipelines use Docker or Kubernetes agents. Each job runs in an isolated environment. Slide 4 System requirements. Jenkins is lightweight to start, but for production, you need proper CPU, memory, and storage. Jenkins runs on Java. JDK is recommended for stability. Slide 5 Installation options. Jenkins can be installed in multiple ways, using a WAR file, native packages, or Docker containers. Docker provides consistency and easier setup. Cloud deployments help with scaling. Slide 6 Jenkins Home Directory. Jenkins stores all data in its home directory. This includes jobs, builds, plugins, and secrets. It is the core of Jenkins. Always back up this directory. Slide 7 Jenkins Project Types. Jenkins supports different project types. Freestyle projects are simple but limited. Pipeline projects define workflows as code. Multi-branch pipelines support multiple branches automatically. Modern DevOps uses pipeline as code. Kequint 820 Pipeline Job Flow. Pipelines are divided into stages. Build stage compiles the application. Test stage validates the output. Deploy stage releases the application. Each stage depends on the previous one. Slide 9. Job chaining and automation. Jobs can trigger other jobs automatically. This is called job chaining. It ensures continuous flow from build to deployment. Execution continues only if the previous stage succeeds. Slide 10 Workspace isolation problem. Each Jenkins job runs in its own workspace. Workspaces are isolated from each other. Files are not shared automatically. This creates issues between dependent jobs. Slide 11. Artifact sharing solution. To solve this, Jenkins uses artifact sharing. Artifacts are transferred between jobs using plugins. For example, the Copy Artifact plugin. This ensures continuity between stages. Slide 12 Evolution to pipeline as code. Jenkins has evolved over time. From manual jobs to fully automated pipelines. Now everything is defined as code. Pipelines are scalable, reliable, and efficient. This represents modern DevOps practices. Final call to action. If you understand this flow, you understand real DevOps. Now build your own pipeline. Subscribe for more practical DevOps content.